This guy was a hard person to get by. So I give it to him, and he's got the spoon, and he goes, "Do you burn this?" And I'm like, "Oh, cool, I'm done." He's like, "No, I had to smoke liquid and smoked salmon, that's why." And he goes, "Oh, dude," tries it, "That's amazing." I served it to the Googlers, they loved it, and they wanted to encore, and I had to serve it again. And this gives you the example that you can fix any burnt food and serve it to somebody, as long as you throw enough natural sugar or sugar to fix it. Does it make it right? No. But it shows an example that food can be manipulated. So when you have pomegranate that's not been done correctly, and you've kind of just burnt it because the solids have, caramelized, doesn't mean it's right. It just means it's been wrong for a very long time and no one's actually really questioned it. And that's why I said that product's garbage. Now you understand the whole context of this story.